Well, back from the MOT, and it passed. And it's actually a very good pass. Only 3 advisories. 2 advisories I'm going to fix straight away because you can really feel it in the drive. It's on the front suspension bushes. And the other one is just a leaking power steering pipe. I'm going to leave that. But as you can see from the state of it, it's quite dirty. Despite the bad weather, I've actually been using it nearly every day. Since the last video, I've actually done 300 miles in it, and it was all going great until the exhaust fell off. I was over in Huddersfield and heard a banging. Unfortunately, over on this side, the exhaust hanger's actually sheared off the frame. So it's currently just hanging on via a bungee on the other side. The bungee isn't really ideal, of course, but it did get me home the 2 hours from Huddersfield where it happened. So I'm going to give the car, or Vernon, named from his number plate, a quick snow foam. I'm using the Also Glim snow foamy stuff. The snow foam's great because it really breaks down the dirt that's stuck onto the car. And yes, I am aware that it's rainy, dull, windy and very grey, but this is England and this is generally what we do here. To actually clean it, I'm going to use this. It's called Polar Wash, and it goes on the same way as the snow foam. So with this, the shampoo will already be on the car, and I just need a plain bucket of hot water to wash it off with. So with all the shampoo applied, just need to wash it off. Finished. Just a quick rinse now. To finish off, I've used this stuff called Polar Seal. It's sort of like a liquid wax. Again, you just put it on with the snow foam lance, and then it just all beads up and looks really cool. So it's given it this wax finish, which is great because buffing a car is really difficult. To seal it, this works pretty well. There we go, it's clean. Could do with a bit of tyre shine and also something on the mirror plastic. That's very faded, isn't it? But I am pleased with this car, it's in great condition. You know, there's no dents in it or anything down the sides. And the roof is perfect too, no dents anywhere. It's in really good order. Now it's outside in the light, you can see just how good the interior is as well. I don't think there's one mark on the headliner. I'm just going to pull it around to the workshop now, see what the deal is exactly with the exhaust. Okay, so now the wheel's off, It's very obvious what's happened. The bracket has just sheared straight off. Hence the exhaust dropped. And then this side's still on and looking good. It's completely ripped the rubber, because obviously this side was taking all the weight. So I need to find a new bracket and get one ordered. This E36 is now next to get MOT'd. Really though, it's just some basic stuff. One of the reasons it failed is I forgot to put the lug nuts back in. I've taken them to Canada with me. They're actually on the E46, 7,500 kilometers on the other side of the world. So it's been easy just to buy some new ones. But this is a really cool one. This car, it really is immaculate. There's no rust anywhere. It's like brand new.